Betsy, did you learn how to pick up a puff? Yummy! Is it delicious? Okay, take the finger out of your mouth, but leave the cereal in. Oh, yummy. Yeah? You learned to chew? Oh, keep trying. You learned to chew it? Is it all gone? Look at that big bonk on your noggin. Somebody had to lower the crib bars. Do you want some water? Here you go. Okay, you want one more? There you go. It's right here. Big kid. 7 months old. She's figuring out how to pick stuff up and put it in her mouth. It's food. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay. Don't drop it. Give it to mommy. You gonna eat it? Do you want the water? No, eat your puff. It's in your hand. There you go. Nom nom. Nom nom. Chew it up. Yep. Chew it up. You still working on it? Is it all gone? Baby, is it all gone? Let me see. Ah! Ah! It's all gone. Good job.